Hey YouTube, what's good? I'm back with another video. This one's gonna be a Halloween video. Obviously, I'm Kill Bill. But yeah, basically I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look. If you like what you see, then just keep on watching and let's get into this video. I really thought it was gonna be like a 613 blonde type of wig, but it's definitely giving like icy platinum silver. So we're just gonna have to make it work, and I feel like on camera it looks extra like silver, but it looks mainly just like white with a little bit of silver with a little bit of ice, you feel me? But yeah, we're gonna have to make this work because I don't feel like waiting for this look. I wanted to do a Kill Bill look, so we're just gonna have to like make our own version with this hair color. And I know it's not like exact, but the costume's not exact either, so fuck it. It's really mainly like the makeup that's like the part. I just didn't want to have like black hair, you know? Like I feel like that's just wouldn't really go with the vibes. I literally just went to like 3 different smoke shops looking for contacts also, and none of them had fucking contacts. I don't know how. It's literally September. I'm like, isn't it this time of year? Like it's not even October yet that like people are like buying contacts all the time. Like I don't know why it was so hard to find. So we're just gonna have to deal with the brown eyes. Anyways, let's get into this video. Also, nobody judged me on how I put this wig on. Like I literally haven't put a wig on since last year for the corpse bride look, so I don't want to hear it. Honestly, save all that. But if y'all want to know how to put a wig on, definitely don't ask me. I did the best I could. I don't know, I kind of love like a blonde with dark brows look, but also I have to see what color. I'm sure she's got like blonde eyebrows, honestly. I forgot. I'm gonna look it up right now. And for that, I'm gonna use this Anastasia dip brow in the color taupe, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows. It's gonna make them look a little more like ashy and like grayish, I guess, because I definitely don't have, or should I do bleached brows? That would be kind of hot. Damn, maybe I should. I didn't even think about that. Damn, I'm gonna do that. All right, so I'm gonna just fill this in a little bit just to give like a little bit of shape. I'm just gonna go in with this Huda Beauty filter concealer and just put this all over my brows basically. Okay, I'm actually so excited for this look because it's like she doesn't really have that much makeup on. Like she looks very natural, and so I want to go for like a super natural like look, I guess, like skin like, you know. Now I'm gonna just go back in with that brush that I used with the taupe color, and I'm just gonna define the ends a little bit because otherwise I just feel like it might not show up. It's like I already have thin brows, so I feel like I can't make them like too light, otherwise it's just gonna look like I have no brows, period. I don't know, am I looking like just old? Silver hair, silver brows. Oh, I didn't know I had a fucking ghost in here. For reference, this is her. Okay, focus. So like very natural. I literally wasn't lying about that. Was there a bubble in my lace? See, this is what I was talking about. Oh, also since this is like a very like big like skincare look, I wanted to use this. I have no idea how to pronounce this, to be honest, and I'm not really gonna try, but essential mousse cream. What does that mean? I don't know. But I'm gonna use like maybe 2 pumps because it makes your skin look super dewy. And it smells really good. But that's kind of gonna be like my primer basically. And then I think for the parts where I have like a little bit of texture and like pores, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish primer that they gifted me, so thank you. And I'm gonna just put that basically on my cheeks and like on my nose and where I have any bit of texture basically. All right, next, basically I want to just create like a super flawless skin look. I'm so torn if I should use this because, okay, this is the House Labs concealer in shade 4 Fair Natural. I feel like their concealers don't get that light. The fact that this is Fair Natural is crazy to me. So I'm pale, but I'm not. I know there's like girls that are way lighter than me and it's already saying fair. Is my point. I guess we can try spot concealing, and then if it still needs more, then I'll probably just use like a different concealer. But I definitely don't want it to be like a super full coverage. Like, look, I want my natural skin to like peek through. I just want it to look like I don't have all these like spots because her skin is very like flawless though at the same time. And then to keep as much coverage as possible, I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out. I don't know if you see what I'm talking about, but I feel like it gave a little something, but it's like really the most natural concealer I've ever used in my entire life. I might use the Kosas concealer though if like this one doesn't do what I need it to. Because the Kosas also is pretty natural. I want to carve out the brows, so I'm gonna do that with this one. But I do want to keep like the color of my eyelids because I feel like that just adds to like the natural look. Like if my eyelids are like concealed, like I feel like it's like a dead giveaway that I have makeup on. Yeah, so I'm trying to just focus that on my upper eyelid, like brow bone area. Yeah, I really don't know if that did anything, but the Kosas concealer definitely has way more coverage. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I swear I can tell. And I'm gonna have to find a way to blend this lace. Now that the makeup's on it, I feel like it's kind of obvious. I feel like a way that we could probably make this like pop too, the brows at least, is by using like some contour around, like kind of like a reverse concealer. You can... Wait, I should take this. I'm setting this using the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom powder. I had to get the mini though because you bitches be buying this shit out. I have literally never been able to get my hands on a full size, so, but I still needed to try it because I feel like I'm literally the last one to try it. I feel like somehow I still got some concealer. So I'm gonna use this Lorac Pro Matte palette, and I'm gonna use Pink Mauve, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna like cover my entire eyelid with it. So I feel like that pink color kind of like matches my eyelid color. I guess I can add a little bit of the burgundy. Anyways, what I was saying about the reverse contour or the reverse concealer, damn, what did I do with that brush? Is that I'm gonna take my contour, which is the Dior Forever Natural Bronze in number 4, and I'm just gonna take it and literally like contour, I guess. This way I feel like I can actually make this like pop. I'm gonna take this House Labs concealer again and just conceal under my eyes. I think I'm gonna put it on my nose also, so that when I put contour on, it's like showing. And I'm not gonna drag it like too close to my waterline because I still want it to look pretty natural. And I feel like it's just a dead giveaway. It's just like the eyelids. If you put it too close to your waterline, it's gonna just fuck it all up. I don't know, like, do I put concealer? I'm so scared to put concealer on my lace. I feel like it's gonna make it darker. I have a feeling that's what happened to me last year. Like, why do I remember that? I feel like to add to like the natural look, I'm gonna use this water resistant faux freckle pen from Marilia Scott Cosmetics. I'm gonna just like put dots on like all my blemishes. I feel like that's like the best way to hide them. And then I'm gonna just tap on them to make them look like less harsh. I'm gonna take this Milk Infinity Longwear eyeliner. I don't know what color it is. Oh, Outer Space. It's just like this black gel liner. And I'm just gonna create like a little baby wing so that it's pretty natural, but then it still gives me like a little something. I'm gonna just blend that out. Alright, and then I'm gonna do that to the other side. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Voluminous Eyelash Primer. I'm gonna set my under eyes with that same powder, the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom powder. I'm just gonna like blend out my under eyes again because I for sure creased. And I'm just gonna put it like around like my smile lines and everywhere that I crease. But I'm not setting the rest of my face because I want it to look super natural and skin-like. I almost like didn't even want to set under my eyes because I feel like it looks extra skin-like when you don't. I know I really like shouldn't do this, but I have to. I'm gonna contour my nose like the tiniest bit. It's gonna be super fucking natural. Like, it is not gonna be my normal nose contour, but I can't handle like no nose contour. That's like crazy. Like, I'm not gonna do the button nose or nothing. It's just really to give my face a little something. Was that unnecessary? Probably. Probably. Next, I think my lashes are dry, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put some mascara on them. I'm gonna use this Milk Kush mascara. And that's why I like doing the eyeliner, because I feel like it kind of just adds to the mascara, especially when you're doing like a natural look. Alright, so now for contour, I think I am gonna do contour because I just don't know how I can't do contour. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty contour stick, just a little bit though, just to kind of give like that like bony skeleton look, because she's got that. This would be so much more fun if I could like listen to music at the same time and make my YouTube videos. I feel like this would be so much more of a vibe, but okay, I think that's it as far as like glam goes. Should I put some fucking highlight on or some blush? If I'm gonna use blush, I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna just add like the tiniest little bit of blush. And I'm using the Halo Smashbox blush in the color Wisteria. That's cute, right? Maybe I won't do highlight because I feel like highlight's too shiny, but also I love me some highlight. So I think I'm gonna do highlight actually. Oh, for the highlight, I'm using the Cookie by Benefit highlight. It's like super wet looking and like super blinding, so that's why I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna just use it on all the high points. And I'm gonna also put it on my nose. Next for lips, I'm gonna use the Stone lip liner from MAC, as always. And I'm gonna use the same Halo Smashbox blush in Wisteria, just like I used for my cheeks, and I'm gonna use that for my lips. I'm just gonna give it like a little color again. All right, so the skin is skinning, the eyes are cute, the brows is cute, the hair is cute. Look, what I tell you, I don't want to hear anything. Next, we gotta do like fake blood splatters, because this is Kill Bill. She's a fucking assassin, so we gotta look like an assassin. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I have like this red lip liner, but it's like really like bright red, and I feel like blood just isn't that bright, so I don't know how this is gonna look like, especially when it's mixing with like the rest of my skin makeup, you know, might make it look lighter. And I don't know how I'm gonna make this look like liquid either. Like I'm really like not sure how I'm gonna do this. I'm nervous. So I feel like we gotta do like a splatter. I'm so scared. Wait, what is this gonna look like? That's like so pink and like fake. Maybe I'll just add like some brown to it, or like that burgundy on top. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This is literally so pink. I guess I could do a little fake nose contour right now with this blood. Myself like that fake button nose. Like that. And then I'm gonna just put some like, literally this is really just supposed to look like blood splatters, so it's really not supposed to be any certain type of way. Like it's just supposed to look messy. It's kind of boring, to be honest. It's really just like however you want it. I feel like we need some on the chin though. So I also am like drawing all these dots because I want to like plan out where I'm gonna put some of these red rhinestones, because I want to add that like onto the blood, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna try to take like this palette again and try to use like this burgundy to kind of like darken up the red a little bit. You see what I'm saying? I feel like it does help. The red rhinestones that I'm using is from Amazon. It's got multiple sizes, which is dope as fuck and perfect for like what we need. For the glue, I'm gonna use my lash glue. It came with this like pencil to pick it up with, so that's nice. So I'm gonna just start in sections because like this likes to dry fast. basically I'm gonna just continue this throughout my whole face. My camera's about to die, but yeah, I'll be back after this part. Alright, so I almost finished all the rhinestones. This is like what it's looking like. The rhinestones definitely help like with the color and everything. It's definitely not giving pink at all. And it doesn't have to be perfect either. Like it doesn't have to cover the entire thing. Like if you have a little bit of like gaps in between, it's not that big of a deal because that way you can still see that it was like blood underneath, you know? Like it still gives a little bit of like realistic scariness. I'm gonna show you guys up close what this makeup looks like. Oh. Ooh, that lace is scary. That shit could give you nightmares. Like, that's insane. Listen, I'm gonna just like edit that shit out of my pictures because there's no way, like, there's no way that shit's staying in there. I guess next step is the actual costume. So let me go grab that shit and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got the costume on. Since this is like a synthetic wig, it's where it gets like so tangled. Like, I don't even have to move for real and it'll get tangled. I smoothed out the top because I had like these little like hairs poking up and that was like weird to me. I did get, the sword is from Amazon. This outfit's also from Amazon. And then I'm wearing like these Doll's Kill boots, which are really cute. This sword is like low-key heavy. Like did y'all make like a real life replica or what? I'm trying to show you the boots. This is like what we got going on. My titty's about to slip out. I feel like it was kind of like a random version of Kill Bill, but I feel like it kind of came together anyways. Like I'm not mad at this look. Like it still looks sexy. I still feel bad as fuck to be honest, so I guess a win is a win. But yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think and let me know if you recreate it. Don't forget to tag me if you do, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and I'll see you guys in my next video.